Today we're gonna modify SUPRA. After cutting the car, this was the result.
No matter no socks, who you wanna try to pay me? Pull up real fire, show my automatic. Made a history, 就像爆炸们 VP. Ain't this year 不可能才有弟弟 Back in blood, 最闪动的遭遇 One time shot， 引起所有人的注意，推动整个行业，这是我的目的。你们的想法永远只有。
So now we need to remove the paint of the car. So this is the paint remover. Let me first drink it. After putting the car body in chemical, now I have to do time pass and drink some tea. Yeah. And it's time for tea. After a lot of sanding, now it's time for some paint. Now let's do some paint. Now headlight has been done. Now it's time for some micro headlight detail. Yeah. Now we need to fit the hell body stickers and I need to be very careful. After sticking the hell body stickers, this is the final result.